Yes. Sun's gone past the yardarm. I'm Baron Borchester, so it's time for a fable from Fartwell. We've got a transit van handle for a Mark 6 sliding door that we're gonna replace the door handle that I broke. Well, Lord Fartwell broke on Bendover the builder's van. Yes, and if you remember, we put a screw in it. Yes, and Ben didn't like the screw. No, and he said, "Can you pull the screw out and fix me a new handle because you broke it?" So that's what we're doing today. We're going to fix him a new handle. Lady Fartwell, who ordered this off the old interweb, she said, "Why is it a Mark 6? You know, why isn't it a Margaret 6?" I said, "I have no idea," but she's writing to her MP about how sexist it is. They're all vans are called Mark apparently. So a couple of things I'll show you. We bought this off the interweb for about £6. So and we got it off these people. A very good service. So I don't know. I can't wait to see that. So there you go. I don't know if you can see that. If you want to order it, yes, if you're going to order one, then there you go. The other thing, this is the handle. And I've had a quick survey inside the van, and this nut, this bit here, this looks like it's got a nut on it inside the van, and I think that's the first thing we're going to do is take the nut off, and we're going to see if we can get this fitted for you. We put in the handle the other day for a temporary fix because the handle was all floppy. So inside the mechanism, inside the van, what you've got, you can see that the bolt coming through that I showed you from the handle, and this is obviously the nut we're going to take off first, you see, and that's obviously the screw that we put through to pick up the mechanism on the inside. The other thing I found is if you can't get the door unlocked, the best thing to do is to double click on your key fob and push. Okay, go to the other side. Where are we? Yeah, this is the other side. And push this back, and whilst double clicking on your key fob, because this cable might be too tight, so you push it back, double click, and then you can get your fingers behind it and unlock the door. So there's a little tip for you. So basically, we're going to get in here and take that nut off first. Right. There's the nut. Sort of taking her off of there. So I don't know what we're going to do next. That seems to come away there. I don't know. We'll just poke that nut back through the hole. Yes, I think that might come away. Well, I'll go outside and see. So there's a nut there. I think we're going to try and take the cables off or something. I think the cables are holding it in place, so we'll try and take the cables off. So yes, we got the cable's still attached here. The cable's still attached, and this bit here, that's obviously the cable attachment on the new one. So somehow we've got to take this off, and I think, right, we're going to try got a pair of electrical cutters here. Just try and just cut that off. That's what we're going to do. There we go. So we basically just, can we see this? Just cut the end of the rivet off. So this is what we're left with. If you're doing this, you need to take it out by pulling that up. Where are we? Can you see that? Like so. There we go. So the next thing you need to do, I presume, is stick that back in there. So that's what we're going to do. So poke that in there, like so, and poke that back in there. Look at that. That was quite easy, wasn't it? Oh dear. The only thing is, we've obviously got to go and put the handle on the outside before we do that. So and obviously take the old one off. So let's go and do that as well. So whatever you do, don't do that. Don't put it into the handle before you put the handle on the door. Otherwise, you're going to Yeah, this is going to be a real... There we go. Yeah, don't want to poke it. Don't poke it in the hole too soon. That's the moral of that story. Right, so back outside and see if we can get the... See if we can take... See if we can pretty well see this mechanism should come off now. Okay, so hopefully we're going to give this a bit of a clean up, and before we poke the handle back on. Here's the new handle. Going to poke him in. Let me see this. Get the bolt through that hole. I think what you've got to do is go in like that. If you can see this. Get those lugs around there. Get that one in there, and get your bolt. Yes, get it in the hole. Go on, get in there, boy. I don't know if we've just got to go and put the nut on the other side. Maybe. So basically, I don't know if you can see this. We're going to have to basically push the bolt, the bolt through the hole, and it's under tension. So we're going to put the nut onto that bolt under tension and wind it up tight. Now I've just put the nut back on. So, what an idiot. I forgot to put this, if I don't do this, obviously that plate's got... Right, I've cut this piece of wood. I'm going to put that in there, like so, because that's going to push that in. Right, hopefully that's nice and tight up there. Right, got that done at last. Let's have a look at this. What I actually had to do, I had to not just wedge a let's get that in there. Not just wedge a piece of timber up on the handle from the outside, but I actually had to put this was actually pretty tight, this wedge here that I wedged in there to get that nut on there. You see, so that might be a bit of a tip for you there. You might have to apply quite a bit of pressure to get that nut on. So so now all we've got to do, well, I say all we've got to do, is put our cable, this cable thing, back into this this piece of plastic. So we're going to have a go at that now. When you're putting this nut on, put a bit of rag in here, otherwise you'll keep dropping it and it'll fall down inside the door. Got that one, got that bit in. You see this? There we go. How about that? Right. Let's give that a go, see if that works. So the moral of that story is, if you've got a bit of an old floppy one, yes, put a handle on it, get a grip, and things will be okay. Yes, only under normal circumstances, and I don't think things are very normal around here. So I hope you like this fable from Fartwell Manor. Toodaloo for now, everybody.